Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Bari. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code, and this software will be using for running the Python scripts, JavaScripts, and it will be more easily and flexibly we can use this software. So let me show you how to install it. Um, so when you go to Google, first type Visual Studio Code, and you'll see this page. Okay, let me I can show you. Okay, this page will be open, so I'll be sharing these links to you guys in the description part, so no need to worry. And once you click on this button, you'll be able to download that, and it's hardly 50 to 60 MB of size is that. So let me um, install it. So just accept the agreements, and this is a path where you're going to install that under programs. So this is the path. You can change the path if you want. So I'm going the default path. Don't I'm not selecting this path. Just be available in the start menu here. So next, here I'm clicking all the options for adding this and registering these paths. Install it. It might take. Okay, this is just now I finished it. So installing. Let us open it. Okay, this is how the UI looks. So we can change the custom settings as well. Okay, so this is the folder structures. Let's create a sample program just to show you how it works. Okay, just I'll create a folder called work, and we don't have anything here. So in that work folder, let me create a small file called test.py. So this is the extension for Python file script files. So before that, so it shows here you want to install the recommendation extension for Python. So you can just click on show recommendations. So these are the APIs it's been providing. So this is by default it provides us this one. So we can install this for Python. So along with that, Python we have several other extensions like C++, C Sharp. So this has been installed now. So let us go back to the folder here and just write us. So we have a terminal here. You can just open it. You can directly run from here. This is taking some time due to because it's loading all these extensions. Meanwhile, I'll run through the command line and show you. Go here and just open the command prompt from this path. Okay. So now you can see this. Sorry. So in this directory we can find test.py. So just click on python test.py and just enter. So you can see that the program has been executed here. Hello Berry, you can see. So similarly in the Windows also, we can directly go here and then type. So you can run through this command from this directory since the file is present there. So this is how along with that you can install the several other extensions and packages when you're running machine learning scripts for this. Okay. So I'll provide the links in the descriptions of the video. Thank you guys. Have a good day.